Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this super simple extension for face mask. This extension is very easy. It is made of double crochet and picot stitch. Of course, it's suitable for all crochet levels, especially the beginners. So everybody, kindly watch the whole video for the detail of this pattern, and if you are new to my channel, kindly push the subscribe button to stay updated with the new upcoming content of this channel. Well, now let's get started. The material you need to provide are yarn, crochet hook, 2 buttons, pastry needles, and a pair of scissors. Firstly, make slip knot. Then make 4 chain or chain 4. Make 7 double crochet in chain 1. But before you complete this part, you need to make 1 picot stitch on the top of 5th double crochet. Okay, there is 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, and 5 double crochet. Okay, now don't make the second 7 double crochet, but make chain of 3 to create a picot stitch on the top of the 5th double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Make a slip stitch through 2 loops. Then now you can make 2 more double crochet to complete this part. 1, and another one. This means that there are 7 double crochet together. So finally make chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, and a slip stitch inside the same space. Okay, the first pattern is complete now. Now you're going to make another one. Firstly, make chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, turn the work. Then make 7 double crochet in the chain space, just like before. Before you complete the pattern, you need to make a picot stitch on the top of 5th double crochet. Okay, this 3, 4, and 5. Before you continue, you need to make chain of 3 for a picot stitch on the top of the 5th double crochets. Okay, now chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. Make a slip stitch through these 2 loops. Then make 2 more double crochet, 1 and another one. This means that there are 7 double crochet in total. Finally, make chain of 3, 2, 3, and a slip stitch here. 2 pattern is complete. Now I'm going to show you how to make the third one, just like before. Start with chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, turn the work and make 7 double crochet and a chain space. But you need to make first 5 double crochet and make a picot stitch on the top of the 5th one. This is 3. Oops, sorry. 3, 4, and 5. Now make a picot stitch by creating chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, and a slip stitch through these 2 loops. Grab the yarn, pull it through all loops. Okay, now make 2 more double crochet to complete this part. 1 and another one. Finally chain of 3 and make slip stitch in this space. Now make chain of 3 again. 1, 2, 3, then the work, and make 7 double crochet in this chain space just like before. Firstly make first 5 double crochet and make a picot stitch on the top of the 5th one. 3, 4, and 5. Create chain of 3 to make a picot stitch. 1, 2, 3, make a slip stitch through these 2 loops, then make 2 more double crochet to complete this part. 1 and another one, then make chain of 3 and a slip stitch. Okay, this is what it temporarily looks like. If you want to make it longer, you just need to repeat these patterns until you arrive at the desired length. Okay, now make chain of 3. Okay, now make the last chain of 3. 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch here. It's ready. Now we'll cut the yarn and then I will show you what it looks like. Okay, this is what it looks like. Now sew the button. Now this super simple extension for face mask is ready. You can try it yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again on the next video.